Aloha everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you what $714,000 buys you on Maui. We're going to be taking a very quick tour of one of my newest listings. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, top floor condo on Maui's west side in the villas at Kahana Ridge. Let's go take a look. We're going to start this tour on the lanai at the front door. Again, this is a top floor unit with great privacy. As you can see, there are no other front doors on this lanai. As we enter into the living room, you can see that the top floor location also allows for nice high ceilings, making the unit feel extra spacious. The condo has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms spread through 780 square foot of interior living space, and it has been tastefully remodeled by the previous owner. The kitchen was completely remodeled with large granite countertops, a bar seating area, stainless steel appliances, and a full-length wine cooler. It also has custom cabinets, subway tile backsplash, and open shelving. The condo has split-system air conditioning installed with wall units in the kitchen and both bedrooms. Let's head out to the private lanai. We do get some peekaboo ocean views off in the distance from the lanai on both sides. Of course, the camera really doesn't do it justice, so you really need to see the views in person to fully appreciate them. From here, we're going to head back inside and go take a look at the 2 bedrooms and bathrooms. As we walk, I'll mention that the villas at Kahana Ridge is meant for long-term living and it does not allow short-term rentals. But it is one of the few condo complexes on Maui that does allow pets. The first bedroom we'll see is the primary bedroom on the ocean side of the condo. The primary bathroom has been completely remodeled and is very tastefully done. It's not shown in this video, but the hot water heater for this property has been upgraded to a tankless system. And the stacked washer and dryer in the hallway are both full size. The second bedroom is currently set up with 2 twin beds, and it has a nice lofted area for additional storage. There's even more storage in a crawl space that's above the hallway's ceiling. And to finish off the tour, we'll take a look at the second bathroom. The property is in the desirable Kahana Ridge neighborhood, which is located between the prestigious Kaanapali and Kapalua areas on Maui's west side. At just over $700,000, it is priced to sell and ready for its new owner. So that's it for the tour. I know we walked through the property really fast, so I'll also share a link to the listing details in the description below. And as always, feel free to reach out to me directly with any questions about this property or any other property here on Maui. Don't forget to subscribe for more property tours and real estate content just like this. And I hope to see you all on the next video. Aloha.